Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss problems in exercise 2.5 in polynomials and factorization of class 9. Let's start the video. Here is the first question. Use suitable identities to find the following products. In that first one is x plus 5 into x plus 2. Solution. The given question is x plus 5 into x plus 2. We have to find the product of these two expressions by using algebraic identity. We have to use x plus a into x plus b formula, which is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. By using this identity, we have to find the product of this. So, x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equals to x square plus, in the place of a we have 5. So, 5 plus, in the place of b we have 2. 2 into x plus a value is 5 into b value is 2, which is equals to x square plus 5 plus 2 is 7. So, 7x plus 5 into 2 is 10. The product of x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equals to x square plus 7x plus 10. Let's solve the second one. Second one is x minus 5 into x minus 5. We can express this as x minus 5 whole square. X minus 5 whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This identity we have to use. So, x minus 5 whole square is equals to, in the place of a we have x and in the place of b we have 5. So, it is x square minus 2 into a means x and b means 5 plus, and here b value is 5 square, which is equals to x square minus 5 into 2 is 10x plus 5 square is 25. Therefore, the product of x minus 5 into x minus 5 is x square minus 10x plus 25. Let's solve the third one. The given question is 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. If you observe the question, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. This identity we have to use to find the product of the given question. Let's write 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 is equals to, in the place of a we have 3x. That means 3x whole square minus, in the place of b we have 2. So, minus 2 square, which is equals to, here 3x whole square means 3 square, that is 9x square. 9x square minus 2 square is 4. Therefore, the product of 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 is equals to 9x square minus 4. Let's consider another problem on different concept. Here is the question. Evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. Let's enter into the solution. First question is 101 into 99. We have to express this in the form of algebraic identities. We can write 101 as 100 plus 1 into, we can express 99 as 100 minus 1. Now, if you observe 100 plus 1 into 100 minus 1 is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So, we have to use that identity here to multiply the given numbers. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Now 100 plus 1 into 100 minus 1 is equals to, in the place of A we have 100. So here 100 square minus, in the place of B we have 1 square. 100 square is nothing but 10,000 minus 1 square is 1, which is equals to 9,999. This is the value of 101 into 99. Let us solve the second one, that is 50 and half into 49 and half, which is equals to, we can express 50 and half as 50 plus 1 by 2 into, we can express 49 and half as 50 minus 1 by 2. 50 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 49 and half. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. We have to use that identity here. A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. Now 50 plus 1 by 2 into 50 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to, in the place of A we have 50. So 50 square minus, in the place of B we have 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square, which is equals to 50 square. 50 square is nothing but 2500 minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. Now we have to subtract 1 by 4 from 2500, which is equals to, multiply 2500 by 4, then we will get 10,000. 10,000 minus 1 by 4, that is equals to 9,999 by 4. This is the product of 50 and half and 49 and half. Let us solve the third one. Third one is 501 into 501. We have to express this in the form of 500 plus 1 into 500 plus 1. We can write this as 500 plus 1 whole square. A plus B into A plus B is nothing but A plus B whole square. So here 500 plus 1 into 500 plus 1 is equals to 500 plus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form of A plus B whole square. What is the formula? A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. We have to use this identity. 500 plus 1 whole square is equals to, in the place of A we have 500. Write 500 whole square. 500 whole square plus 2 into A is 500 and B value is 1. 1 plus 1 square. 500 whole square, which is equals to 5 square means 25. 2 zeros are there, means we have to write 4 zeros. Plus 2 into 500. 2 into 500 is nothing but 1000. Plus 1 square is 1. Now we need to add all these 1001 and here we have 2,50,000. So 2,51,001 is the product of 501 and 501. If you finally 501 into 501 is equals to 2,51,001. We find the values of the given questions without actual multiplication. We found this by using algebraic identities. Let us solve another problem. Question is factorize the following using appropriate identities. In that first one is 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. Solution. The given question is 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. Before going to factorize the given polynomial, we have to find the given polynomial is in which identity form. Once look at the identities, in which format it is there? Yes, you are right. It is the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a plus b whole square. Now we have to convert this into this form. So we can express 16x square as 4x whole square plus 2 into, so we can write in the place of a as 4x. 4x into b. If you observe, b square value is 9y square is there. We can write this as 3y whole square. 3y whole square, which is b square. That means b value is 3y. So here 3y. Now check whether you will get 24xy or not. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 24xy plus b square, that is 3y whole square, which is equals to, in the place of a we have 4x. So 4x plus in the place of b we have 3y. 3y whole square. Therefore, the factors of the polynomial 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square are 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y, which is nothing but 4x plus 3y whole square. Let us solve the second one. The question is 4x square minus y square by 25. Once look at the identities. Did you observe? The given question is in which format? This is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So find out what is a value and what is b value from the question. We can express 4x square as 2x whole square. So a value is 2x minus, we can write y square by 25 as y by 5 whole square. From this we will get b value as y by 5, which is equals to, here in the place of a we have 2x, so 2x plus in the place of b we have y by 5. Y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. These are the factors of the given polynomial 4x square minus y square by 25. Let us solve the third one. That is 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Now check whether the given polynomial is in the form of any identity. No. Then we have to convert this into in the form of an identity. So I am taking 3 common. 3 into p square minus 8p plus 12. Now check whether p square minus 8p plus 12 is in the form of any identity. It is in the form of x square minus a plus b into x plus ab, which is equals to x minus a into x minus b. This is in the form of x square minus a plus b into x plus a into b. So we have to convert this into this form. In the place of x we have p square minus, to find a value, b value, a into b is 12. 12 we have to factorize. 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12 and 2 plus 6 is 8. So we can express this as 2 plus 6 into p plus 2 into 6, which is equals to p minus, in the place of a we have 2. So p minus 2 into p minus, in the place of b we have 6. This is 6. What is this? This is p square minus 8p plus 12 equals to p minus 2 into p minus 6. But what we need? We need to factorize 3p square minus 24p plus 36. So 3p square minus 24p plus 36 is equals to 3 into p square minus 8p, p square minus 8p plus 12, which is equals to 3 into p minus 2 into p minus 6. This is the factors of 3p square minus 24p plus 36.